2.
May sasabihin pa kasi huwag sa practice na yung mga anong pinractice.
Candidate number 1 from Bronwan Consumer Red John Francisco. Her gown and art created by Aling Banang Francisco and General Merchandise. Her husband life are jumping, walking, running, speaking, sometimes fighting. Is aanin pa ang gamot kung patay na ang kabayo. Huwag kayong mag-alala dahil buhay pa ako. Candidate number 2 from Cable Concierge, Frederick Antonio, also known as Buget. The ground created by Aling Kata na nagluluto ng gatang isda, manok at iba pa. Her hobbies in life are talking, watching off-track betting resort, exercise, nail biting. Her saying is, magdasal ka para mabuhay ka, pero wag na mong kalimutang mag-toothbrush para mabuhay naman ang iba.
Our candidate number 3 is from Office Support. Ms. Ivan George, also known as Ivan. Her gown is created by Bella Obama na may ari ng maglaba. Her hobbies are cooking, eating, and sometimes sleeping. Her motto in life is, kung pagod ka, matulog ka. Para paggising mo, bukas na. Thank you, candidate number 3. Candidate number 4 is from Sky Partner Help Desk, Miss Nestor Manese, also known as Nona. Her gown is created by Marie Chris De Leon na may nagmamay-ari ng medalyon. Her hobbies are walking while talking along Baliwag Station. Her motto in life is, hindi kailangan ng malaking bra sa aura. Baby bra lang, pasok na.
From Training and Quality Assurance, Warnes, her name is Fernando Bolita. Her gown is created Papa the Matroda Tricycle Association and Human Services. Her hobbies is always listening to music of Madonna, and his favorite song is La Isla Bonita. Her motto in life, lahat ng mga kandidata ay magaganda, nagkakatalo lang sa hininga.
Okay? Number 6, medyo nalampasan lang. Miss Froilan Bodo, also known as Cassandra from Office Support. Her gown is created by bands of chairs and tables. Her hobbies are playing volleyball, basketball, football, jackson ball, kahit anong ball, at nanonood pa ng All Sports Network. Her motto in life is, ayan na si Kaka, bubo ka, buka ka. Okay.
Para sa pagbabago!
Kasi wag po niya.
Hindi, hinubad